in their
Already, sir.
Okay, already. Okay, please start your presentation.
Okay, good morning, everyone. First thing first, please let me introduce ourselves. My name is Cici Citra, and the member is Bagaskara and Iqmal Baharul Alam. On today's meeting, we will talk about the source of wastewater, and we will show you the slide, and I hope you can give your
Bagaskara Yusuf, share your slides. Yes, okay. Display your slides, Bagaskara Yusuf. Okay, please start.
sanitary engineering, and the lecturer is Dr. Rina Marina Masri. And we will talk about wastewater research. Next. And the subject is first about rainwater, second dirty water, and third is industrial waste. Next. Rainwater is water that comes from rain. The appearance of rainwater can be obtained from evaporation of seawater, lakes, river, swamps, cascading, and other water which is rising to space to a certain point will turn to water and then rise to earth as rain. These droplets during their journey toward the earth come in contact with airborne particle or gas, such as oxygen, industrial gases, or fumes. Therefore, water doesn't clean returns from Mastery 2016. The amount of water that falls as rain depends on the local climate and circumstance. Water rain, as ruler of discharge, has the following characteristic. First, low consequentness. Second, usually saturated with oxygen. Third, tasteless, colorful, smell, and cortical. Next. Rainwater. And this is the image of a rainwater circle. Water cycle. Next. Rainwater treatment plant. Judging by the characteristic of rainwater, it is known that rain itself is healthy, and it doesn't cause pain or disease when used for drinking water. But if it is not properly treated, it can have adverse effect on the health, aesthetic, and technical aspect. The principle of rainwater treatment is to throw rainwater into a landfill, maybe piped with a line. The channel used include an open channel and a closed channel. The way to school is the denture of the aquifer or pampering. But to check into the water board, there are no special rules for vacuum first, because part in the large do not play back to be so.
Next, the dangers of rainwater. The rainwater causes corrosion to iron and iron materials, and it is not nearly as dominant if it is constantly exposed to the water and corrosion. Then, the water of the rain also contains acid. When acid level pH less than 6 or colored acid use can also cause irritation to the human skin. Then it may also cause standing water if not supported by an adequate drainage system in a region. The pools could be the source of a vacuum for the people, but standing water also paralyzes humans' life. Dirty water. Dirty water is all the fluids that surround the water in household. Wastewater and dirty water. Dirty water sources are household wastewater, kitchen water, bathroom, washing machine, tools unrelated to human wash. Water which from the toilet, household wastewater, is not too harmful to human health because the source of household wastewater is associated with human excrement, but the water must continue to flow in terms of it. Thus, water may be piped at an open channel directly into the river water table. Dirty water comes from the toilet and it contains human waste. Water came from the stomach of human, the leftovers of food and drink that did not exploit by the body. Therefore, wastewater has a character, contains bacteria, E. coli, pathogen bacteria, Salmonella and Shigella, contains organic substance, carbohydrate, proteins, fats, cellulose, the result of vegetable eating, contains dissolved salt, NaCl, K, and chloride, Ca. They were suspended solid, soap, and detergent. Individual dirty water waste treatment. Fish pond atau kolam ikan, contaminate kakus, septic tank. The sewage plant treatment of collective. The collective management of dirty water is the treatment of dirty water by a private and governmental body, where dirty water is managed from household, public buildings from a major city area. Dirty water is treated on the Bangunan Pengelolaan Air Kotor atau BPAK. The installment of this dirty water management building lies in large areas and is generally laid outside the city, away from settlement. The function of the owners of dirty water treatment plants wants to cultivate water so that influent water coming from dirty water treatment plants will become harmless to health and will not contaminate the dumpling of water. For such a functional purpose, it is among the most pollutive water work. Raising level DO atau dissolved oxygen, simply suspended or suspended solid, and removing pathogens.
Next is the PES, the sewage plant treatment of collective. The first stage or primary treatment. The first stage of the physical processing of system used in the removal of a reduction of BOD. There is 20 till 35, and the reduction of the SS is 50 until 70%. The second stage or secondary treatment. Phase 2 is biology processing. The system used is a biology processing by lowering BOD with the help of microorganisms. The unit that use are three systems: trickling filters, activated sludge, and stabilization ponds. At the second stage, there is a process. BOD reduced more than 95% and the SS reduced more than 99%. The third stage or third treatment. Phase 3 is treated with biological and chemical processing. In the complete treatment of dirty water or complete treatment consists of the primary treatment, secondary treatment, and the tertiary treatment. Various processing is derived from characteristic of the dirty water to be treated and the effluent requirement that are approved. Next. In terms of pool stabilization or stabiler pool, use the natural process. Organic matter will be described as a steady sludge and gas. This is the image from the step of the sewage plant treatment of collective. Next. The dangers of wastewater. Dirty water contains much of pathogen. One of the much bacteria that contained in the water of the color is the E. coli bacteria, and it is one the bacteria that often cause stomach pain. Add to the E. coli bacteria is Salmonella and Shigella bacteria that can lead to typhoid disease, paratyphoid, and foodborne. Next. Industrial wastewater. The industrial garbage is the wastewater coming from industry or company. Waste source industry or enterprise building or place industry. Wastewater from an industrial or company has different properties or characteristics depending on the type of industry. The harm produced from industrial wastewater is that water becomes toxic as a result of poorly managed company waste product. It can corrupt and poison nearby source of fresh water. Next. This is the flow chart. Next. The reference is from Masri RM 2016, Teknik Penyehatan, Bandung, BPTS, FPTK UPI. Thank you for your attention. Any question?
Okay, very good ya. Please stop the recording, Bagaskara.